Hey guys, it's Deborah here. Guess what? Samsung launched the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G before the Unpacked event, where the company could introduce its latest flagship smartphone series. The Galaxy S21 FE comes in 4 color variants: white, graphite black, olive green, and lavender purple. Actually, I feel a little bit down because the Galaxy S20 FE has more color option, but still, these 4 colors are superb. The device sports an aluminium frame and a plastic back cover that doesn't leave any fingerprint stain. With this plastic back cover, the device has a more modern look when compared to other Galaxy S21 variants. Speaking of tech spec, the Galaxy S21 FE comes with a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Besides that, it supports an Exynos 2100 chipset, 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of internal storage, 4500mAh battery, 25W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, IP68 water resistant, and runs Android 12. Moving on to the camera, it comes with a 32MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 12MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 8MP telephoto lens. Of course, there are some interesting camera features such as the dual recording function, which let you use the rear and front camera in the same video recording. Apart from that, this device supports the space zoom feature to take the distant picture with up to 30x zoom. Also, the single take feature automatically produces several photos and video with just one shutter press. As for the pricing, this device has a price tag of 2,899 ringgit for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and 3,099 ringgit for the 8GB plus 256GB model. Pre-orders have been open since 6th of January. Overall, this device suits people looking for a flagship tech spec at a budget or who don't want to spend a big money on a Galaxy S21 Plus or Galaxy S21 Ultra. For me, the only disadvantage is that this device is not as attractive as the other Galaxy S21 variants. So, what do you think? Would you go for this device or the other Galaxy S21 variants? Leave us your comments below and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and peace out.